Grace here in Polanca, and today we have a very special video. Actually, I'm going to take you back to the Philippines. I am in Reno. I am very jealous because I'm not there. What's going on is there is a special event. It's a first time in Legazpi. It's called Bicol Loco. It's basically a hot air balloon festival. There's paragliding, military in uniform, army, and concerts at night. I think Sarah Geronimo is there. And kudos also to Congressman Koo for initiating and promoting this concert and events, basically to uplift the economy of Legazpi, Philippines. So I'm going to give you a preview, and then as soon as I finish downloading and editing, I will give you the full video captured none other than my brother, Gil Gutierrez. He was there in person, and I will show you everything. Alright, enjoy! Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Good morning! Ito nga pala ang aking mga dadalhin.
Hindi na nakapila na ito.
Nauna na sa akin. Ba't pala inuunahan? Ayun yung takot yung lahat. Susunod yung unahan natin. Pinauna na ito.
Ano kaya yung inuukit niya?
Oh, to so maganda oh.
Tibag yung heart niya eh.
Yes, good morning. Nakapasok na tayo sa loob. Wow. Good morning. Nandito na po tayo sa loob ng mismong airport. Kung makikita nyo dito sa side, maraming tent.
Which is maganda kasi gabi. Makikita na at makikita na natin lahat ng ating balloons. Kanina sinabi ko kasi, hindi ko lang alis na nga itong video natin dito guys. Ulitin ko lang. Inaantay lang po natin yung confirmation kung pwede na po ba lumipad ang ating mamaya, mawala pa. Pero kung tutusin, natutulog pa po.
Kinancel nila ang pagpalipad muna ng balon kasi grabe ang lakas ng hangin. Kanina nakapangtayo na doon kanina yung mga balon, yung nandoon tayo doon.
Pero in-explain naman na ng Mars kasi sabi nga nila, natitrigger lang naman yung fear of height or yung phobia sa height. Kapag halimbawa, nakatayo niya, tapos sasama, nagdadrive lang. Sabi ko lang sila. Pero honestly, pinagulat ko talaga yun kasi I wasn't expecting na pwede pa lang gano'n yung mixture na may zero heights yung piloto, pero piloto siya. As long as you flying in a smaller